Are you planning to study abroad but feeling overwhelmed by the visa process? Don't worry. At Admyted, we've got your back. Welcome to our visa counseling program, your step-by-step guide to securing a student visa for the USA, UK, Germany, and Europe. Many students face visa rejections because of incomplete documents, lack of preparation, or a poor interview performance. But with the right guidance, you can avoid these mistakes. That's where we come in. At Admyted, we offer professional visa counseling to help you through every step of your student visa process. The visa interview can be nerve-wracking, but practice makes perfect. That's why we offer mock interview practice sessions. Our experienced counselors create a realistic interview environment so you'll know exactly what to expect. Don't let visa challenges stop you from achieving your dreams. Get expert guidance with Admyted and increase your chances of visa approval. Contact us today at 1800-202-3370 and visit our website admyted.com to take the first step towards studying abroad.